must be able to be having a process of monitoring abnormal activities, transaction monitoring or activity monitoring. My sister there at the back yesterday asked me, I have known this customer for the last 10, 15 years. My question is, how much do you know about this customer? Can you be able to see consistency in the transactions? The other thing, and I want you to write this somewhere, there's a notion in Kenya that when you're talking about money laundering, you're talking about $1 million and above. A suspicious transaction is not based on transaction amount. Are we together? Let's talk about a premium. How much in terms of premiums can the CEO of say Safaricom give you? Yeah? In amounts of a premium? Yeah? 500,000. Yeah? Per month? Per month, the CEO of Safaricom? Yeah? He's not your client, but we are saying hypothetically. It's a hypothetical. Yeah? Can this guy be able to give you 500,000? Yeah? Ati? Ati? Annually? How much can this guy give in a, say, monthly?
Even a million.
Even $1 million? It is you have said it is not me. Let's say 501 million. Let's come to a teacher.
Which teacher?
High school teacher. Yeah? Public. Yeah? 3,500. Let's not even go to 1 million. Let's go to 500,000. Is this normal? That the CEO of Safaricom can be able to give you a premium monthly of 500,000, is it? Yeah? That a teacher can be able to give you 3,500. Both of them are normal. Now interchange both of them. Tell me about this now. No, tell me about those two transactions now.
The CEO, I think.
For the CEO, it is still okay. For the CEO, is it okay? Yeah? Depending on the products. For the teacher? For the teacher?
No.
If you're talking about a primary school teacher?
Yes. It's still our teacher, the same guy. We had a high school teacher. Let's even put him a high school teacher. Yes, public high school.
Yeah,
That one is abnormal. Yeah? No, I'm saying don't go to the other details now. Look at it on the face value. Desktop review is outrageous.
no.
Yeah?
It raises right from here, but it's not abnormal. Let me explain.
Yes.
Because we're discussing it here, the few of us.
Yes.
The person can be a teacher, but maybe they have
Hatujafika huko kwingine. Yes. Yes. Because I told you I'm a teacher. Hatujafika huko. What is your source of my information? I am a teacher.
That's suspicious.
The reason I am saying this, we need to remove this idea, this notion, misplaced notion that suspicion is usually based on 1 million shillings. Are you together? It can be based on some very small amounts. That's why, on the face value, this one looks abnormal. Is it? And that's why you can say the transaction identified as abnormal by its nature. Unless I get a justification how this guy is going to raise the other, first now it comes to your case. What other businesses do you operate? Now I need to expand my thinking. But if he comes and tells me I'm going to be paying 3,500 from my salary, I don't need to go the other process. Are we together?